The Senate Blue Ribbon Committee report on the flood control scandal has not even been formally released, and already it is fetching criticism. Today, panel chairman Senator Ping Lacson had to address speculation of a watered-down version of their findings. Mobile journal Merimon Reyes with tonight's big story.
When a draft partial Blue Ribbon Committee report was leaked last week, it revealed the recommendation of criminal charges against several officials, including 3 incumbent senators. Chis Escudero, Jinggoy Estrada, and Joey Villanueva were supposed to face plunder, malversation of public funds, direct bribery, and other charges over allegations that they received kickbacks from flood control projects. Others who were recommended charged are former Senator Bong Revilla and former Representative Zaldico and Mitch Kahayun-Uy. But that leaked report has since been revised. Instead of charges, the committee report now states that it recommended the conduct of further investigation or case buildup against the said officials. Quite a turnaround for observers. But for Blue Ribbon Committee Chair and Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson, there is no substantive changes at all to the initial draft. The upper chamber's majority bloc merely suggested tweaking the language of the report.
Bakit yung language? Do they find it offensive?
Well, ganito, no, yung connotation, halimbawa, do sa draft na initially routed, merong word doon na charge, no? Recommended to be charged. Sa layman, pag sinabing charge, para nasa korte na. Hindi namin pwedeng i-recommend sa court na i-charge sa court kasi only the DOJ and the Ombudsman are authorized to file the information for any person to be charged before the court, di ba? So kinorek lang namin yon. Ito yung tumama sa sensitivity ng ibang mga kasama namin na pag-charge. Pakisipin ng mga tao, charge na sa korte.
Despite the changes in the initial committee report, Lacson maintained that the recommendation of his panel did not weaken at all. The senator likewise denied that the revisions were made because of supposed discontent in the minority bloc or due to the reported foiled coup against Senate President Tito Soto. Escudero, Estrada, and Villanueva belong to the Senate opposition.
Nothing to do with the supposed coup against SP?
Wala.
Yung pag-change ng language?
Ano yan? Sa majority pa lang yan. My own colleagues in the majority, nagsuggest sila, baka naman pwedeng isopen natin, na hindi masacrifice yung intent. Hindi mababago yung substance. Kasi sabi ko may baseline ako di ba? Bottom line ko, hindi ko talaga i-report out yung hindi ako naniniwala.
The revised Senate Blue Ribbon report has drawn mixed reactions. Ombudsman Boying Remulla attributed it to politics, but he still believes Lacson did a great job with the flood control scandal probe and that the committee's findings would still be helpful in going after those implicated in the mess.
It's politics. Ano na yan What is acceptable to all or to most is the most important thing. Kasi nga, nagkakapersonalan, siyempre may mga kaibigan yan sa loob na pipirma, huwag lang nalagay yung pangalan. Gano'n yan. May negotiation yan. May compromise yan. Pero, at least, yung pagkapangalan sa kanila tsaka yung records intact. Ang mahalaga dyan, yung records ng Blue Ribbon Committee tsaka lahat ng testimonies niya. Yun ang mahalaga. Yung report niya kasi, anticlimactic yan Kung ano alam natin, yun na yun
Blue Ribbon hearing other critics have also accused the BRC report of bias. Lacson insists his committee based its report on evidence presented during the hearings and challenged critics to submit proof if they believe otherwise.
Kung meron silang ganong suggestion, mag-present sila ng ebidensya. No? Madali magsabi na bakit ito wala, bakit ito nandyan. Where's the evidence? They are members of the committee. Tumulong sila, hindi sila, instead na mag-criticize lang, tumulong na lang.
The revised Blue Ribbon report has not reached the minority yet, but Lacson is hopeful the measure would secure at least 11 signatures, enough to send it to plenary for discussion. Aside from charges, the report also holds recommendations for legislation and other measures to prevent further corruption in government projects. Kapatid mobile journalist Merimon Reyes, we are One News.